Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best jack stands in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best jack stands that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Camco 44561 Olympian aluminum stack jacks. The Camco 44561 Olympian aluminum stack jacks are available in packs of 2 and 4. It does not have any complicated design and is pretty easy to use. It is constructed from cast aluminum, hence its silvery appearance. You can adjust the rod supporting the vehicle through a height range of 11 to 17 inches. It features a simple pin lock to keep the rod in place. Each jack stand is capable of supporting about 6,000 pounds. It has a pyramid-shaped body and a square base which ensures stability provided you use it on a flat surface. Moving on at number 4, we have the Alltrade 640,912 black 3-ton, all-in-one bottle jack. The Alltrade 640,912 is a 3-ton jack stand and comes in a unique design unlike any of the other jack stands reviewed in this guide. The patented design combines the 3-ton jack stand with a bottle jack for more efficient use. It is designed for use on trucks and off-road vehicles. Despite the unusual design, it is quite portable so you can move it around. It is highly durable and features a wide steel base for better safety while carrying the load. The height is adjustable through a range of 11 to 21 inches. It features a safety bar that keeps the bar in place when you have reached the required height. At number 3, we have the big red Torin steel jack stand. Truth be told, you can't ever go wrong with a Torin jack stand. The brand has been in the automotive equipment industry since 1993 and has consistently delivered products with a high quality level and design. Not surprisingly, the big red Torin steel jack stands pair checks all the requirements needed to pass the ASME standards test. The pair are lightweight, which does not in any way reduce the stability and support it provides. The jack stands feature a wide pyramid footbase and are suitable for use on cars, SUVs, and some trucks. The weight capacity of this jack stand is only 3 ton. It features an adjustable ratchet bar with a height range of 11¼ inches to 16¾ inches. The saddle of the jack stand features a large surface area which allows for better contact with the vehicle. At number 2, we have the Omega Lift Heavy Duty 6-ton jack stands pair. The Omega Lift Heavy Duty jack stand pair is capable of lifting 6 ton of weight. It is perfect for use in auto repair shops as well as personal garages. Constructed using sturdy stamped steel that features a welded frame design, the Omega Lift Heavy Duty jack stands pair is made for durability and long-term reliability. It can lift vehicles through a height range of about 16 to 23½ inch. This implies that it has a wide range of applications since it can handle cars, SUVs, and even certain trucks. It is a 6-ton jack stands pair. Each stand on its own can support 3 tons. The manufacturers do not properly clarify this in the product description. It features a wide pyramid base for added stability and strength. The ratchet bar on the stands is built using high-quality cast iron with high ductility. The zigzag design on the bar ensures you can easily adjust the height of the stand and keep it locked in place for extended periods. This also allows for smooth movement of the bar while locking or releasing the mobility pin. For extra safety, it comes with double locking pins mechanism as well as a large surface area for the vehicle to make contact with. And finally, at number 1, we have the big red Torin steel jack stands. With a carrying weight capacity of 4,000 pounds, the big red T42002A Torin steel jack stand gets the job done. The pair features a double locking mechanism which makes supporting vehicles safer, especially after lifting with a jack. The 2-ton capacity of the pair means it will easily handle small cars, ATVs, keeps, etc. without any hassle. The lifting range of the pair is great at about 16 to 9/16 of an inch. It comes with a large surface area which ensures proper contact with the load it is supporting. Made from heavy-duty steel, this pair of stands are industrially welded for durability as well as long-term reliability. It features a removable locking pin that greatly increases the safety of using this stand. Designed in a pyramid-style shape with a wide base, you can expect enhanced stability and strength from the stand.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.